Haya. Thank you. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever place you're watching us from. Oh my god, my collar is not the well done, and my husband here cannot even tell me. Anyway, good morning to you guys.
It's the seat belt that I've done, so man, come on.
It's the seat belt?
Yeah,
I'm accusing you falsely.
Accusing me falsely.
Okay, yeah. Guys, I hope you're having a beautiful morning. As to we're having a beautiful morning. We're starting our errands. It's a good day. It's a brilliant day, and we are hoping that it's going to rain because, guys, it's extremely dusty. But before I talk about how much dust we have, let me introduce to you my lovely
It's just took
babe.
over, man. Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome back to Claude Joseph's channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and of course, if you have never met this amazing YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. We have over 1,500 videos,
Yeah.
all from the starting of how we started this channel up to date. This might be the 1,600 plus videos, so which shows you that we are really working hard. We are not slaying back. So this day today we are moving actually to a certain place. First, we are taking daughter to school, and also my wife, she doesn't feel well, so I have to also visit a chemist. We have to do counter shopping for medicine.
Hey, we shop for medicine.
Yeah, we can.
We get like a whole chemist.
Yeah, a whole chemist. So, and also, no, not a whole chemist, but a small one.
Okay.
A medicine that will be recommended for us.
Okay.
And then we see what's happening. But the main thing today is we'll be back to somewhere where it's very special.
Yeah.
So let's wait and
Say
see.
hi.
Yeah, and also
Say hi, baby.
Our big man is here.
Oh.
Duende! Hey, that's the life that I need, man. Hey, having a car there and you're taking kids to school.
It's a good life.
It's a beautiful, good life.
Okay, guys. So that's us. That's Mr. Junior's car.
The junior's car.
That's going ahead of us. Kids to school. It's school time. People are going to school,
Yeah.
and you can see the clouds. It looks like it's going to rain.
But it's not raining, man.
It's not raining.
It will not rain. I checked on the weather forecast up. It will rain maybe. It starts raining maybe on Sunday.
On Sunday.
Yeah.
Anyway, either way, we're grateful because we haven't planted our maize. Remember,
Yeah.
we're supposed to plant maize.
It's supposed to be. We went with just what we call like tractor. We haven't yet planted, but we will.
Yeah, we haven't planted because it hasn't rained. So
Yeah.
we've been waiting for the rains, and please God, I want it to rain even today, so that at least we can plant. I've been so worried and stressed up because of that. But anyway, guys, let's head to school, and then we'll tell you what you're going to do today. It's just something brilliant and amazing.
Yeah, man, is it an accident?
Okay, let's see.
Man. The bikes. Oh,
Let's see what's going on.
I think it's market day. Today is Thursday. Is it a Thursday today?
Oh, today is Thursday.
Oh, it's a Thursday.
Oh.
So these are trailers. We call them warriors, trailer followers. We say something like that. Yeah. So there's cows that are being stolen.
Oh, they have like even panga machetes.
Yeah. So they came to
bows.
Yeah. So they're from Tanzania, I think. So today is a Thursday, which is a market.
Cows have been stolen somewhere.
Yeah.
So they're going to.
So today is a market ticket day. So today is animal market day. So they are following the trails, the animal trails. So which means they are heading back to the animals market to check whether somebody can steal from Tanzania and go sell in the animal market.
So they they can kill someone in Kenya and they're from Tanzania.
Yeah.
No,
but it's a thief. Maybe there's a thing which we call like whether you're a thief doesn't matter where you are. Where is your citizenship? Because a thief doesn't have a citizenship.
And how are they allowed to pass with those? I think they pass the.
I'm telling you, there's panya routes. You know the main border is only focused on this road.
Okay.
So on the other side it's just open.
So but then I think if they're Tanzanians, it can turn out. But to
also it's I don't know, it's things, like people can't steal cars from Kenya. They sell it in Tanzania, and
they steal from Tanzania.
They sell it in Kenya. So it's the same way that somebody can steal a car from Kenya, and the moment it crosses the border, that's it.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So let's head to school, and then we're going to be catching up with you in a bit.
Yeah.
But first, we drop the baby.
Yeah.
And then I will go get medicine, and then we'll tell you what our big day is all about.
It's a big day, guys.
Yeah. Are you excited about the day?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Super excited.
Oh man.
As I am. Guys, I'm very. If I cough here, you guys will turn off the TV. You'll think you'll catch the flu, because I have like. Oh God! I took some medicine, but I feel like I need something different again. So I have to go.
Show them our.
Okay, let me.
Area. There's a certain good school here that all people usually like an academy school. Yeah. So yeah, the big guy, can't he go? Oh my God.
The guy here.
Okay, yeah.
He will go.
Right.
This Bertha and Mr. Julian's car.
Yeah. Hey, border people, they don't want to see you
prospering.
Anyway,
yeah, so guys, let's head there and then we'll see you in a bit.
They're just passing. Whoa. They even want to scratch your. Hey. But if they scratch these people's car, it will be crazy. They will just deal with the company, not me, not you, not even their own.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, see you in a bit. So, guys, he's he's taking the kid to school inside the school compound, and we are going to be heading out. Guys, I have a very bad. Is it cough? It's a very serious sore throat. That sometimes even I feel like my chest is whistling. Something like when I'm sleeping at night, I feel like it's whistling. I don't know where it caught me from. I think it's because of the other day we were digging at the farm, or I've been doing some errands, so I think that's why I got it. I know, guys, you guys have missed me talking, so sometimes I take the opportunity to talk on my husband's channel here so that you don't miss me so much. The friends were like, "Come on, we've missing you talking." So the most talking that I'll be doing will be on this channel. Yeah, so he's back.
Yeah, I'm back. So let's head for
my medicine, I think.
Firstly for your medicine, then you can do other stuff. So
yeah.
Keep watching, guys, and yeah, let's check and see what's happening, and everything will be
all right.
Very much okay.
Okay, bestie, hi. Yes, so we are done,
and now we are heading back to the chemist.
We're going back to buy some drugs, guys.
Then we see what's
happening. Yeah, we'll show you in a bit.
See you guys.
Guys, I'm praying that it rains. The skies are so grey. Pia ushaanza vitu zako. let's go get some medicine. Then we'll be right back in a bit.
Look who is back. She is back.
I bought the drugs, guys. I had some yesterday. I was given mine yesterday.
You were given antihistamine.
Yeah, so but then now I brought this. I'm supposed to be taking 10 ml of this.
Like a baby.
Like a baby. No, baby's 5
So
ml.
I'll be shaking like this for you and tell you. Solo medicine.
3 times a day.
3 times
So I
a day.
started this because it's early morning. It's around 8 a.m. right now, and then I was also given some
You
something.
don't know how to read
I know.
this.
I don't know. I can't read the handwriting.
Prednisolone.
Hey, babe.
Yeah, I'm a doctor.
When he was young, he wanted to be a doctor, so he's trying to twang. They're called predilone, something like this. So
Don't read here. Read what the doctor has written.
no, I don't want, because I think she just copied here, or she wrote from here.
Okay.
Yeah, so two of these times 3. So
Yeah.
I'm going to be taking this so that I see, because my chest at night it started whistling. When I sleep, I feel like it's whistling. I don't know if you've heard that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, let's head to the where we're going.
Yes, and we'll
And then
just
we'll
let you know what's happening.
let you know what you're
Yeah,
going to
cross
do.
fingers for us.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Is it even working, guys? So,
We are almost there. Look at these beautiful homes here.
So if you remember this road, you know very well where we are heading. So
Yeah.
let's try to. I'm a chauffeur of the day, your best chauffeur. Yeah.
Yeah.
In Burundi, I used not to know what chauffeur is. I used not to know, but no, I used to know, but I used not to know what necessary is. So when I went in Burundi, and I went in Burundi. And you know, in Burundi there's a scarcity of cars and scarcity of what we call like transport, means of transport. So in a bus, you know, they have these left-handed buses.
Okay.
All their cars on the left, the steering is on the left.
Okay.
Not like us when it's on the right. So people are telling me, go sit near the chauffeur. So they were telling me in Kirundi, they thought I'm a Burundian.
They thought you're Burundian.
So they tell me, chauffeur. Today me I'm their chauffeur. So because I was having a small camera, they told me you just sit near the chauffeur, the chauffeur. So they called the chauffeur chauffeur. You sit near the chauffeur. So from there, I started to what is chauffeur? Oh, it's a chauffeur. So them chauffeur, they call it chauffeur.
Okay.
Yeah,
They call it in the they use it in their traditional language.
Traditional language, chauffeur.
The local language.
Yeah, so chauffeur. So right now, even if you tell John that, hey, who is chauffeur? He'll tell you Claude is chauffeur. Yeah. So most of the people in Burundi, they know me as chauffeur.
Okay. Bright. We came to the orphanage. I don't think we told you where we're going. We were just hoping that you'll guess where we are going. So we came to the orphanage again. This time we want the last time we were here, we noted the kids don't have like shoes. They don't have the Crocs, at least, because shoes could vary and could be very much expensive. And given that the orphanage is situated in the village, so they move around a lot and they're just normally within the compound here, we felt like Crocs will do better because most of them are stepping down. Others have like small shoes, others big shoes, so they're not like uniform. So our sponsor again decided to send us like, no, Minhawi, I want you to go do something for the kids. The kids were stepping down and the ones who don't have anything to wear or to protect their feet on. So we were like, let's go back to mom here. Of course, we're back again so that we can be able to, get the sizes. We could not just guess. So we had to come back here and get the sizes for each and every child, so that we can, they can have like something to protect their feet. Given that it's going to a cold season and it's raining soon, so it must be very cold in future. So we want at least for them to have something. We're going to be getting Crocs. Me and Bay there. So, and our mom is here. Kindly, mom, you can say hi to the people.
Hi guys, my name is Pastor Esther. I'm the mother of all these kids.
Yeah.
I'm just here in our home, Noah's Boat Children's Home. And I want to say thank you so much for your big love and even to come to support our kids.
Yeah.
I really appreciate the couple to come, not even every day I can say, I need you more to come here.
Yeah.
Because you are our blessings. So
you.
welcome, and I can say again, thank you for the donor who is just carrying this burden. May God bless you, and may God add you more and more blessings. Thank you for taking care of us. We really appreciate so much, and I'm very grateful for you are coming today.
Yeah.
I just feel honored and feel at home.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So guys, we just want to do something for the babies, and of course through how she has to allow that first. You just can't come in without seeking her validation or her, she has to allow us. So we're going to be, after here, we're going to get the numbers, the different sizes of the kids, and even the big girls who are here, or the teenagers, let me say the teenagers, they don't also have shoes, they step down, most of them. So we're going to look for those who do not have, because we have a minimal budget. So, and then maybe in future, when whatever remains, or in future we'll get, for those who remain, we'll be able to maybe get more, But for now, we want to look at the small kids and those who are missing. There are those who have small shoes, but those one can maybe stay a bit as we get those who don't have, and those who's, I don't know, those who don't have, let me just say that. So guys, let's stay tuned, and we'll be checking the kids' numbers shortly.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy.
Yeah, it's okay.
So happy.
It's okay.
Even I feel like God has give you this chance to stand with me, because every time I was like, I'm sick, I was seeing things like shaking, everything is shaking. I was not comfortable to do anything. Yeah, I'm so happy.
No, it's okay. Yeah, we are a community, and we need to support each other in good times and in bad times, Yeah, so these are our children, these are our sisters, these are our grandkids, Sometimes we just have to show up for them. We don't have to ignore, Yeah, and whatever we can. Even with us also, guys, we have agreed among some of our friends. We'll be doing a bit of contributions, and when we make out from our salaries, we'll be doing a bit of contributions, even if it's whatever amount, at least monthly. When we start earning, especially me, when we start doing videos consistently, we'll be getting something every month to dedicate to her and the children here, no matter the amount, so that at least it keeps her going, it keeps her pushing, like at least she's comfortable. When she doesn't look, oh, I'm providing food, they don't have shoes, oh, I'm providing food, they don't have pencils or pens, or they don't have books, We want to at least to be like committed into doing something, at least each and every time, Yeah, so we'll be okay, don't worry. Yeah, so I think we'll go get the numbers for the kids. And of course, there's someone here recording me who doesn't want to say hi. Say hi, they want to hear your voice, so they know you're there.
Something. So we are here, guys. We just arrived at North Boat. So we are here again, and we are with staff over here, and we just came to check on the numbers and also deliver what we have been sent. Because last time we were here, we delivered food, and also when we were here, we saw children had no shoes. Most of them, majority had no shoes. So the donor who sent us the other day also told us, I want to send you something. You go, you do what you call like buy what you call like Crocs for the kids who don't have shoes. So that's why we came here. We couldn't go and buy before coming here to check on the shoe numbers, because you can buy which one is so big, another one might be so small. So we don't want to have that waste, so we want to do what you call like to come and have the what you call like the reconfirmation, like if it's a kid, put on maybe number 32, number 3, number, so we go by specifically for each and every kid. So that's why we are here, and we have our welcoming mom over here. We see the mom of more than 130 kids. So we are back, and thank you so much for those who always support. And if also you wish that you can stretch a hand towards doing what you call like support, you can reach directly to Mama Esther, and has 254
727
yes
90
yes
22
Yes.
06.
06. And also you can check them out on their YouTube channel at
Noah's Boat House of Refuge.
yes, Noah's Boat
Noah's Boat
House
of Refuge.
Refuge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is Noah's Boat
Yeah.
channel of
Yeah.
YouTube.
Channel of YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see, and we can also show you the kids how they are, and then we can go and then come back. We show you how they're putting on, and also just putting a smile, you know, the little we have, just like that, and then we continue just supporting what we have, you know. Yeah, thank you guys. So let's go and see. Yeah. These are the classes over here. So these are the classes over here. Morning, madam. Yes. Morning, madam. Yes, thank you.
Visitors here. Yeah, they want to just to say hi to. Yeah. You can say hi even to the kids.
To the kids.
Yes. Welcome, madam. Thank you.
I'm a teacher.
Yes.
So teach today.
You can teach me.
Class. I am Madam Faith. So today I'm going to teach you English. Are you ready?
Yes.
And today I'm Mr. Joseph.
Wow.
You know Mr. Joseph?
Yes.
Who knows the story of Joseph?
From the Bible.
From the Bible.
Unakumbuka Joseph
Hey.
kwa historia ya Bible? Okay.
Yeah. Nani anajua Joseph? Nani anajua Joseph? Unajua Joseph?
Wanaambia wapi story.
Eh. Kuna Joseph of Arimathea na kuna Joseph the father of Jesus. Sasa mimi naona naweza kuwa nani? Joseph of Arimathea.
Mwenye aliuzwa Misri.
Na kuna Joseph mwenye aliuzwa Misri.
Yeah.
Sawa?
So guys, we want to check and see those who don't have props.
Yes.
Those who don't have completely. And
Yeah.
those who have like either they're small.
Yeah.
So that you can get their numbers. So that you can go and see if you can get something for them.
Yeah.
I know we've been like we were brought here. The teacher told us to interrupt the class for a few minutes.
Yeah.
But we'll be headed out in just like we won't take a lot of time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm not so sure if you
Umeandika?
Yeah.
Oh, ushaandika?
Send.
I've already written.
All right.
Yeah.
Not yet.
I think I miss being in class and teaching.
Oh, you want?
Only that I teach big people. I teach colleges and
Okay.
grown-ups. I'm not sure if I can manage with the small kids. So you're doing a good job.
You're doing a very great
You're
job,
doing an
actually.
amazing job because these people, they are
Yeah.
very small and they can be naughty.
Yeah, sometimes, but
Yeah.
it's better for them. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah. So let's
they are continuing.
another class. Okay. So let's go to another class and then.
Their church.
Oh. Okay. Uma. These are friendly. They're friendly dog. Oh yeah. So also these are other classes.
They are combined.
This is the school. This is what you call like their classes. Actually, it's for PP1 or PP2.
They're turning to be very quiet.
Yeah,
Some of them coming in there.
Yeah. They were studying. Okay.
Good morning. Thank you so much. We have visitors today. Yeah. So I'm be welcome to our class.
Welcome to our class.
This is grade
1.
This is grade 1.
Oh,
Wow. Okay. So today I'm going to teach you. Do you want me to teach you?
Yes.
What do you want me to teach you? English or Kiswahili?
English.
Say A.
A.
B.
B.
C.
C.
D.
D.
E.
E.
F.
F.
G.
G.
H.
H.
I.
I.
J.
J.
K.
K.
L.
M.
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 O.
O.
P.
P.
Q.
Q.
R.
R.
S.
S.
T.
T.
U.
U.
V. W.
W.
X.
X.
Y.
Y.
Z.
The
You know, guys, I think I can one day I'll volunteer and come and teach. You know,
For sure.
Can I do that?
Yeah, you
One day I should volunteer and come and teach and remind you guys that I'm a teacher so that you can be able to see. Because I sometimes I feel bad. Me, I'm a very emotional person, and I've seen one baby who's sick, and I feel I don't know. It has disturbed my mind in a bit. Yeah. So, but I want to see how many of you don't have shoes. Nani ana viatu? Nenda kuna Crocs, nenda viatu kabisa. Una viatu. Sema kama una viatu. Crocs, nenda kuna mkono juu.
No mkono.
Kwa sababu hata amevaa za mwingine. Ule amekanyaga ya shule.
Oh.
Okay. Nenda na Crocs. Kuna Crocs.
Lakini madamu nimeona ameandika
Wote. Sawa. Tutaenda tuangalie.
Tuangalie. Tuone because I think most of them are almost the same size. So tutaangalia, then we look and see. We just get in the middle of everyone and then we just like an average size that can fit all of them because they are almost the same age. So tutaangalia maybe wakubwa kama huyu mrefu kidogo kama huyu kwa have longer maybe legs. Tuangalie what we can be able to do. Ndio?
Okay.
Yeah, so madam, we'll try.
Yes.
One day I'll volunteer and come and teach. Maybe even for like 2 days or even a week. Who knows? Yeah, so it's beautiful. So.
Oh, so when they reach grade 3, you take them to other schools?
For grade 3.
Oh, for grade 3
Go
grade.
to public school.
Oh, okay.
Excuse. How are you?
You are fine? Okay. Good morning. Okay, I'm Mr. Joseph.
I am Madam Faye. This is great.
Grade 2.
So when I grade 1, grade from what are grade 5?
PP1, PP2, grade 1 and 2.
Grade 1 and
That's grade.
so she said.
Kuna grade 3, lakini watu tunawachagua wale werefu tunawapeleka public school.
Oh, okay. Okay. Nice.
Yeah, read. We should read the Bible.
And you're good at writing.
Yeah.
Sawa. So tunataka mnyana Crocs. Mbona Crocs? Nenda Crocs.
Viatu kama hizi. Kama hizi. Kama hizi.
Yebo. Kama una.
Kama una. Inua tu.
Hamna wote. Uko nayo? Uko na zako?
Inua mkono. Oh.
Uko na Crocs kama zile?
Kama hizi. Uko na kama hii yangu. Like this.
Uko nazo?
Okay.
Uko nazo?
Okay.
Wewe ndio una?
Yeah. Hawa wawili wana na yule boy.
Okay.
Okay.
Uko na Crocs?
Hiyo ni za wengine maybe.
Hiyo ni kubwa. Tuone kama itosha.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have an idea.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see what we can get.
Okay. Let's go. This is Mama Esther, a mom of more than 130 kids. Yeah. She says
doing the most.
yeah, she says that when the kids actually over here she schooled them up to grade 3.
Grade 3.
Then she takes them to public school. Yeah. So that's how it is. So with us, let's go actually check on the list and then
we head out.
We see what we have. Yeah.
We'll go do then we come back very fast before time elapses.
Yeah.
And then we give the kids.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom. So guys, we have this list here. These ones are the ones who don't have Crocs completely. It's up to, this is number 32. And then it goes up to what number? Let me see. Number 60. Ooh la la. Anyway, we are going to try with whatever we have and we see how many Crocs we can be able to get. These ones don't have completely, so we are going to focus on these ones first, and then we'll get to others, maybe the ones who have like maybe they don't fit well and all that. At least so all of them can have. What do you think?
Yeah, it's better. So that's why I told you. It's better we come, we confirm rather than going buying.
Yeah.
And then we just like guess some will be big, some will be small. So it's better we come, we confirm, and then we go, we do what we call like have a purchase.
Okay, it's a good idea. It is a good idea. Yeah. So guys, let's head out.
We're heading back to town.
Yeah, we're heading back to town. I don't know if we should stop and say hi to Maria a bit. What do you think?
Let's go check her.
Yeah, then we can rush because I think she's woken up
Yeah, she has to
and she has to breastfeed.
Okay.
We're heading there. We'll be able to see you in a bit. Yeah, I hope I can show you Maria, but she's still a baby. Okay, guys.
Yeah, so great, guys. We are here, and the good thing is we are actually at here, so we want to head to the market, and then we see if we can get the wholesale of what we call like the Crocs. All right, let's go there and show you. Okay, all right. So we are definitely over here, and this is what you see. So we have a list, and yeah, so Minhao is there busy choosing on what it's best. So let's try and see what we can get on this side. So which is better? Okay, of the list. Then we can check.
Pia tumekuja new models kama hizi.
Okay.
Kama hivi at least standard kidogo.
Okay.
Sasa tutafanya
Tutaangalia ni numbers ngapi zenye ziko.
Nisaidie hapo karatasi hapo
ama unaandika tu hapo juu. Kama ni 37 ziko 10 unaandika tu 37 10 za girls. Juu kuna girls na boys.
Sasa junior orphanage wao wanapendaga kuwachukulia hiyo wengine usifeel special kushinda wengine.
Oh eh.
Sasa kama ni hii type kama ni hii type.
Okay.
Tuna mix.
Sawa. Okay.
Hizi ndio zikatika.
Hizo ndio zitakatika. Yeah.
Na 1 2
a little bit. So this is how you see around here and then 37 ziko mbili. Okay. So we have to choose which is better and then we check on how this.
Ona colors zingine weka different color.
Okay. So we have to just the blue one. So this is 38. Sasa nianze kuibia hapa kando. 38 zilikuwa ngapi? Mbili? 38 zilikuwa mbili.
Ziko 9, 38 ziko 9.
Ndio namba buku hapo basi.
Buku ya Tanzania.
38 over here. So we are mixing the colors so differently. We check on how this. There are those who love pink, there are those who might love blue, there are those who might love white. So let's just try to mix it.
Chukua huyo kijana kutolewa.
So we also have this one. I think this one looks so pretty, right?
Yeah, it is pretty.
Is it go? Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Iko saba hapa. Ziko ngapi hapa? How many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Burure mtore burure huyo.
6, 7, 8. So yeah, so we could have taken blue 9. This one, yep, go hivyo. Okay, so this one.
Nitolee
Kuna
40.
hii color.
39. Ziko mami ndogo ndizo hizi hapa. We are just checking, confirming the numbers because we took a list. So we want to know different sizes. So we are trying to tally so that we can be able to get the exact number that you were looking for. Yeah, so we'll keep you updated as we go on. That says 40.
41. 3 pairs.
Okay. Nataka unitolee 36. Ongeza moja. Ongeza moja bwana.
Etoe.
41 hakuna. Ndio tuliingia. Si 41 hakuna. So we are really hoping that this will be helpful, guys, to the kids. It will make a difference, you know. Yeah, so they are different sizes. So we're going to, maybe we are going to go home and assort them, or we're going to go there straight and assort. Yeah, assort them well, and then now give them, hand them out. Yeah, but then we'll organize them as we get from here. I think we are going to get the exact numbers of what we were looking for.
Actually, we needed a pair of maybe 100 plus pairs, but let's try to see how
and how much all these will cost. Now we are just now picking randomly, then we'll
not randomly by the
no, without like looking at the price. That's what I mean. And then I will.
We already have talked about it, so that's why we have to do it, because if you pick this, it's more expensive.
No, without, what I mean is without like looking at the general price, so that we can match it with our budget, you know. Yeah. So, guys, it's a lot of work. We are getting help from everyone. For every employee is on deck. Like they're trying to get the different, the variety, you know. They are sorted ones. So getting them, looking for them one by one is a bit tricky, given all these are mixed up. Like we have a lot of from all the way there. Yeah, so we are trying to just look for a lot of pieces. So let's see how it goes.
So we are trying to pack this, so let's go there and then we count how many pair of shoes we have around here, so that we can
zote walieka hii side moja. Muleka zote side
moja. Walieka tu hapo. Na hii.
Hizo ziko kwa gunia pia.
Okay.
Come with us. Kuna ingine hapo. So let's go.
It's like we are going to sell. Someone can think you're opening a business. Sorry. Okay.
Nyinyi kuja burure. Leta hiyo ndo tuanzishe kabisa. 37. Ukitaka unaweza kutaka ama unaweza hesabu watoto wote uone pairs. Total pairs
Itoto ukienda nayo nitakuuma masikio. Kuuma masikio na.
Masi anatoshana na huyu.
Ndio hapo ka
48. I'm even confused.
Why are you confused? Okay, you want to assort them?
Yeah, I want to assort them right now so that we know. This 36, so this will be base for 36. Now
Okay, 36.
base for 40. 37 here. 38 here.
Here, higher. So
6.
that is
37.
37, 38, 39, and then there's up to 40, I think.
So 36, 39, 36, 37, 38, 39.
Yeah,
And then
we'll get 40, I think, somewhere.
here.
Okay, so we can.
40.
Uh-huh.
Then we get 40. 38.
40 zimekuwa tu
38. 38.
Bosi wa mama.
38.
6. 38. 38, there are many.
Yeah.
38.
38.
Ooh.
36. And the 7, they are just few. Oh. So we have 30 somewhere here.
37 there.
37 here.
Here.
So we have 2 pairs of 37.
Here 33. Just put them here 33.
Okay. Ula. It's scary.
Nani mwenye unataka akufe sahi?
Hakuna mwenye anataka kufa saa hii. Okay. Mhm.
21.
Zote hizo is a 120. Ziko ngapi? Hapo umeweka ngapi? 3. Okay, 5.
5.
Yeah, so even the lady decided also to say he will buy us maybe 2 or 3 pairs of
Yeah.
These
We have over almost 70 pairs of. Huh?
So she said that she's going to add us maybe 2 or 3 pairs of these Crocs.
Yeah.
And also she said she'll just talk to the what you call it, to the neighbors around. If they just produce what you call like clothes, maybe the clothes that they don't taking, or clothes that maybe the neighbors' kids has surpassed them. So whenever we'll be coming here, she'll be telling us, oh, the clothes are ready, so you can
Come and pick. Yeah, so guys, we bought all these.
Yeah. So let's try and see how they will go, and then if it will fit them. So
Yeah.
how we do this is like one just see the weather.
It feels good.
Yeah, it's also very sunny, and down here it's very hot, very hot.
Stepping down is.
Stepping down, sometimes you find your legs cracking, so it's better we take this. And also I'm so much grateful for one who sent us this to go and just deal with this. May Almighty God bless you, balancing.
Yes.
We are presenting it. Yeah. So,
Okay. All right.
also, let's have something.
Support them. Yeah. Like support
You can
them.
send anyone who you trust, not necessarily Claude, just
Anybody.
anybody of your favorite trust. Yeah. As long as it's being presented there well. Maybe food, clothing, it can be shoes. You can buy them cement, because also they are doing construction. You can buy them cement, 1 iron sheet or 2 iron sheets. It will be better, you know. Yeah. Or soap, or it can be soap, even soap, you know, even cooking oil, salt. Everything is appreciated.
Whatever. Look at that boy is reading. He's very serious reading.
He's the manager.
He's the manager of this business. And the mom. Yeah.
So this is how you see. It's a very big one. And now just like that, boom, we are gone. Takuja.
Mwambie Beki nimehudumia vizuri.
Sawa.
Haya.
Haya, asante. Let's move on.
Will it fit in the car?
Yeah, it will. Why not? If I can just carry it at my back.
Uh-huh.
Why not?
Okay.
It's me. Also, let's put it on my head.
Put it on your head. Go, 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 go. You know, guys, Crocs are bulk, but they're very light.
Should I balance that?
Balance it.
Then when I just... Let's balance again. But they fall down. So actually when we used... Those days back when we used to go to the river to fetch water, you have to balance. If you don't know how to balance over your head, then you are not a pro.
Okay.
So let's take them here. Just like that.
And we're headed.
Now we are heading there, and you see, just like that. Yeah, let's go.
It's dusty. Woo. Wash me.
That's what. Please, please, wash me. Wash me.
It can't be seen clearly
Can be
from
seen from here.
from this other end. Let me see.
Please wash me.
Please. Okay, chauffeur.
Okay,
Chauffeur. Guys, we are done. We are now exiting the market. Exiting. My bad. I thought we were going this way. I did forget it's a one way. So yeah.
So that's it. And now let's head back to the children home. And that's it.
Yeah.
So over here, as you see, that's how everything is around. So we are exiting the market. This is Sirori market, as you see how it is. So let's try to exit it as soon as you see. Here's where you get everything, every variety of your stuffs, whether
New or old.
Whether new or old,
Whether you're
first
thrifting.
first hand or second hand.
Yeah.
This is how you see it. And this is back to school. These are metallic boxes. that you
Metallic
see.
boxes.
Back to school. And also we have a place where we have charcoal, everything, mattresses. If you want to buy mattresses also for them, they are here. But we haven't had them complaining about mattresses or beddings.
Yeah.
But what I see, it's food and clothing and the shoes. So
Yeah.
that's it. So this old place major on mattress. Look, this guy is balanced.
Balancing.
He's a typical village boy. Yeah, typical village boy. So let's head there, guys, and you see how everything is around. You know?
Yes.
So slowly by slowly.
This is a fish trunk.
This is a fish truck here.
Okay.
They always bring fish.
Yep, from the lake.
They like fresh fish from the lake.
They transport them for us here because we can't get to the lake. Yeah. Yeah, so we are exiting, heading back to the orphanage. It's a pretty interesting day, can you say?
It's a very nice day, actually. Interesting. And you know, the only thing is, send we deliver. We
Send we deliver, yeah.
Send we
What?
deliver.
Yeah, that's a nice,
Yeah, we
a
send
nice
we
statement.
deliver.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's without no touching or having even a single cent. So that's like tell you that we are doing what I want, because I'm taking myself into the shoe that what if it could be me
What
who
will-
is
yeah.
there, and maybe I'm eating somebody's money, you know? So but over here we have to do what is necessary
I wanted to.
from the heart.
I think
Yeah.
there's something I forgot to do.
Yes.
I wanted to buy. I think we can stop somewhere, buy the kids some candy.
Oh, the small
sweet-
kids.
the small kids some sweets.
Yeah,
You know,
sometimes.
that-
maybe you can stop there.
Yeah. Get them some sweets at least for the
Candy,
small balance that remained.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's buy them from the shop over there.
There's a shop over here, guys. We're going to buy
And
some
also,
candy.
when my watermelons will be like this,
Will be.
direct to the orphanage.
Yeah.
Take maybe 2 or 3 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, just they can enjoy. You know, if you cut 2 or 3 and then you cut into small pieces, everyone can have a piece.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, so,
Let's get some candy for the babies. Then we'll head.
okay, just right here. Hey,
Hey, chauffeur.
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 Just like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, we bought some sweets. Also, show them.
Let me help you.
Yeah.
So we bought some sweets for the babies, some candy. We call it candy from
Sweet, they call it sweets. We
Yeah.
have no sweets. They're called ivory
Yeah.
sweets.
We have 3 packs. And also there are little kids there. There's one who was sick, so I felt like we should take some yogurt.
Yeah.
We bought like 5 packets, five pieces of this. Yeah, so and extra sweet. So
Yeah.
we at least so that the babies can feel good, you know?
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
So let's head there.
Let's head there right now. Yeah, we came from the shop over here, and that's how busy the town is. Okay. Opening the gate.
It's going to open the gate now. We get in and deliver our luggage, and we call it a day. We've gone round and round. Sorry guys, I have to pick a call here right now. Just a second. Hey Juma. Hello. Oh my god, what's wrong? Hello. Okay guys. Hello.
Our gate.
Yeah.
Let me go.
Hello. Hey. Hey. Yes, so guys, we're here.
Just arrived.
Sorry, I was on a call, guys, and I got a bit distracted. Oh my god, it's hot. It's so hot. Okay. The kids are breaking for lunch. Your luggage. The bulk light, like you can carry 1,000,000 of these things in your head and you don't feel the weight. But it's a bit heavy. Or yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Hey, Toto.
Oh. My
God bless you so much. Mungu awabariki.
Asante.
Utarara huku leo.
She's saying that she wants me to sleep here today.
Yeah, for sure today. At least when you are here, I feel like I'm getting healed.
You feel like you're getting
Yeah,
healed?
since morning, I didn't go back to sleep.
You've not
I
gone back
was
to
just
sleep?
hanging around.
Woke up,
here.
So we've gone and brought them some Crocs.
Yeah,
So we want the children to fit and pick.
praise God.
Yeah, so that at least they can have some
Yeah.
safe fit.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's so good.
Okay.
Maybe we can call them with the name.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Let's.
because he didn't write everyone.
Yeah,
He
so-
was just choosing the one
Random.
that
Okay.
they don't have.
Okay. So we'll call them by the name. Do you have the list?
Let me check it.
Yeah.
Okay. And also come with the sweets.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, chupa, mama. It can be maybe.
So Mr. Monday is coming with the sweets. We had some change and we were like, let's get them some sweets.
Oh, they'll be so
Yeah.
happy today.
Yeah.
Sweets.
And the little ones, we brought them some yogurt. The one who was sick.
The baby girl.
The baby, that size, the small ones.
She wants to serve ugali.
Oh, look at her trying to serve ugali.
At least right now she can walk.
Yeah, she wants.
In the morning she was very weak.
And she was sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Half water to sweet.
So let me tear them.
Poco.
Brought us some chairs. Thank you, babies. Yeah. It's so hot, guys.
Want some sweet.
One until.
Elizabeth.
Wow.
Hey, Toto.
Toto, this is my favorite baby. Mercy Empire. This. Mercy, you have a baby here. Oh my God. Mercy is our friend. Patia hata huyo, zitatosha wote. Kuja kunywa yogurt mama. She's running for yogurt too. They're 5. Yeah. Yeah. Alafu hiyo ingine tabaki, Mercy will take it later. Mama. Sasa mama. Haya. Oh. Mercy. Asante mama, karibu. Kunywa yogurt, kunywa mama. Oh. Look at the other one. What's his name? Moses. Oh, Moses. Esther, kunywa yogurt mama. This is their lunch. Sasa Toto, Moses, mambo. Wapi yogurt ya Moses? Mambo Toto. Pe yogurt. Pe Toto yogurt. Oh, Moses. Oh. And so we'll find Zachary. Zachary is here too. Zachary, sasa baba. And okula yogurt. Dokunya yogurt. I wish I could buy all of them, but next time. So yeah. So one more is missing, or they're done. This one is sick, so she'll take the rest maybe later. Yeah. So mpati na kijiko. Okay. Guys will call the names of those who didn't have, so that the rest do not feel bad, because they'll feel like they've been discriminated against, so that we can give them, and then hopefully in future we'll be able to get everyone, so that at least everyone feels happy, yeah. So let's call them. Maybe in a few, after they're being given sweets, then we'll get back in. Okay. So Mr. CJ there is feeding them with sweets, Are they remaining still? Everyone, kila mtu amepata sweet? Everyone has a sweet? Next time I'll bring you more, okay? Yeah. Madam too can ask you utamu. Yeah. Yeah. Felix Mokami. Hey Felix. Hey handsome boy.
Yes. Kesho tena lunch mtapata moja moja, si ndio?
Kuleni.
Kuna wengine hawajakuja.
Okay.
So for those who have shoes, they have gone to class. We have been with for those who doesn't have shoes. So let's try to just balance with them. And we have Mama here. Mama, give a shout out, Ma.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
I'm so happy for sure.
Yes.
For your gift.
Yes.
Come and bless our kids.
Yes.
Yeah, for me, we say that we need to pray so much for you.
Yes.
So that God will bless you even more.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Pastor Esther.
Yes.
Kanyutu.
Esther Kanyutu.
Yeah, I'm the mother of all these kids.
Yes.
And I really appreciate for your mercy and even kindness.
Yeah.
Just to come and show us this big love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I came to realize there's also a kid here called Mercy Empire.
Yeah, Mercy Empire. We have a YouTuber by the name Mercy Empire. The day we corrected that girl from the pit, that was the first time for Mercy and I to come here. So I decided to name
Mercy Empire. So Mercy Empire, if you're watching
this, I like it. So it was so fun to know this stuff.
Named by the YouTubers people.
I
have Maja, I have Nasto, I have David Jr. Mayuguno, Douglas, Riba, Imwango.
Wow.
All those who have been coming here to help them, sometimes they even choose, let me support this.
Oh, okay.
To buy shoes.
Amazing.
Support this to buy a book. So I have to give that name.
So the league has to keep on growing.
That's very nice.
So guys, please subscribe to their YouTube channel at
Noah's Boat House of Refuge.
Yes.
Noah's Boat House of Refuge. That is our channel in Noah's Boat.
Okay.
This home. Yeah. But the name of the children's home is Noah's Boat Children's Home.
Okay.
But because I have been rescuing the kids from outside the country, that's why we put it that name. Refugees. This is like refugee camp. We have kids from Sudan, from Ethiopia, from Uganda, Tanzania. Yeah, and then we have the rest from Kenya, a lot of Kenya. So that's why we have that name, House of Refuge. So this house is for refugees.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a lot from Sudanese kids. There are 16 Sudanese.
Here. Hey, Mom.
Anyway, I think we should go to the shade there, so that, because Mom is also not feeling so well. Wakae wasikia kwa jua ama? Oh, we have that line there, guys, of our children. Oh, it starts from here. They're up to there. I don't know if you can see. So I want to give each one by one as they go to class. You see, most of them are stepping down. Most of them don't have shoes, or they have one, or they're wearing small ones. So there they are. You can see. Mercy. Yeah, so there they are. So we are going to be giving them. Okay. Diana Nasimiu? 38.
Yeah, about 38. 38 is here.
Chukua hii ya blue. 38 ndio hiyo.
38 mwingine. Oye, aki hakuna hii rangi nyingine sister.
38. Haya.
Okay.
Teresia 40.
40. It's here.
Here, take 40. 40 is here, Teresia.
Yeah.
And Garrett ni? 38. 38 should be somewhere here.
38 unajua ziko both of them.
40. 38.
Yes.
There we go. Yeah.
Yes.
So Waraka? No, Mirobi 36.
38.
No, Mirobi 38. Eh, no.
38 they were almost all blue.
38, eh? Eh, 39 was, I don't know, one.
Everyone knows we only one then.
So that she has gotten her 39.
We've gotten her 39.
Okay.
Nani wengine? Oh, yeah,
They're going back to school. And we've given them their Crocs. What do you say? Thank you. We'll work on getting you something else. Yeah. So, thank you so much. Msome kwa bidii. Okay.
Tangaji kibieni shule sasa tubaki na wako hapa.
Aye.
Sherino uma 34.
34 again. 34.
Serino Farah 35.
35 was here.
Soma jina ingine ndio.
Feito angu 30.
But 31 maybe 30.
They can be somewhere, I think.
I don't think so. Maybe 30.
I think it's Tabaki.
Yeah. So maybe 31. Yeah. 31. Okay.
A lot of shoes. Are you happy?
So 38 was here. Tire.
Wow. Flores Robi 35.
35.
35 was here. 65.
Basira 40.
40 is also here. This one 40. 40 is here.
38.
38.
Moses. I think Moses' leg is big.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Moses.
Hey, Moses, Aya.
Zimeongea kabisa vizuri.
Alice 40.
Alice 40.
Alice. Aha. What number? What number? 38.
38 tuangalia hapa. 38 ndio hii. Huyu mtoto lazima tangalie viatu za yeye.
Yaani lazima.
Bana tukue mwingine ndo apewe ingine. Sawa. Nani mwingine? Nani? Esther.
Esther. Esther.
Esther namba
36 about 50.
50 tuone. Nimetafutia mtu mwenye anaweza kucombine wiki hata ya mtoto tumbadilishie zingine. Kuna mwenye mchukua.
Sisi ziko sawa ama ni ndogo? Iko sawa? Haya.
Mwingine. Wewe ni?
Wewe namba?
Ulichukua?
Wewe ulichukua? Nataka kubadilishiwa nini? Sasa umekaa chini ongea.
Namba? 31. 61 itapatikana hapo. 40. Wewe pima yenye namba. Tafuta yenye
2 feet basi mama.
Alafu wewe
Siko sawa?
kuna mtoto unataka fiti. Hebu fiti kiasi tu.
Ni kubwa.
Hiyo ndio.
Haya. Ebu yeah, perfect.
Nani mwingine anabadilisha?
Kuja pande hii.
Badilisha tafuta yenye kutosha.
Hata utakuta yenye kutosha.
Tafuta yenye kutosha pale. Yaani 40. Ambapo kutosha. Weka tu mguu ndani kwanza.
No, ni kubwa, I can see. Ni kubwa bali.
Hata hivi. Weka tu mguu. Hiyo ni kubwa. Hiyo. Good boy.
Good boy.
Weka badilisha bwana. Badilisha.
Hizo ziko sawa.
Ndio mguu hapo ndio.
Hata umepata.
Sawa.
Kuna
And the school are far, so you have to. Chukua madam. Chukua mama. So the remaining ones, there are some kids.
Aki watoto wasimiss. Watoto wasimiss. Hakuna zimeisha. Commander. So for those who have missed, kindly madam make sure wamepata, si ndio?
Yeah, so watoto wamefurahia. So kids, what do you want to say?
Thank you.
You say?
Thank you. Viatule. Sasa let no one step. Whether it's raining or sunny, yeah, they should have their shoes. So yeah. Teacher Kiona, if you see them without shoes, tell them to wear shoes. Say thank you. Ngwashe. Ngwashile. Bye. Say bye and thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you too. All right. Bye. Say Claude Joseph. Faith and Claude Joseph. Madam Faith, yes. Okay, thank you so much and God bless you too. And take care of each other, okay? Okay, we'll come again. We'll come again, definitely. Thank you so much. Okay.